Hey, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week, I'm going to talk about tea tree oil. It's another oil I bet you didn't know you could do some of these DIY hacks I'm about to show you with. Now, of course, I'd love to hear from you and your DIY hacks. Let's share information, because the more you know, the more I know, the more all of you know. And the sharing is caring, and let's get the word out, right? Because we're also learning how to save money, make our oils go further, and ditch and switch the chemicals. So important, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. So share your recipes with me, put them in the comments below. Of course, if you want to reach me directly, you can reach me in my contact information, also in the comments below. And also make sure that you go to the person who sent you here. And if not, I can definitely help you. All right, so this week we're talking about tea tree oil. Okay, so I have a few DIY hacks for you. One of them is a foot soak, and we're going to do 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil along with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts, right? And we're going to put those in warm water and keep your mani-pedi clean, right? It's a foot soak and a hand soak. You want to keep your mani-pedi looking like it's all polished and clean and all the grit's gone from, especially in your feet. If around the summertime, you can just get it in your cuticles, some muck or sand if you're me, or if you're tromping around river bottoms like I like to do, they just get a little bit dirty sometimes. So this foot soak is absolutely fantastic. And again, it's 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, some warm water, soak your fingers and soak your feet in it. You will thank me later. Actually, it's tea tree oil. I literally have nothing to do with it except for bringing you the information, and I'm happy to share this. Next up, we're going to talk about a smooth scalp. How we're going to do this, we're going to put 1 drop of tea tree oil and 1 drop of eucalyptus. You can go up to 2, right? In your shampoo. So 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil, 1 to 2 drops of eucalyptus. Put those in your shampoo, give it a good shake, and then wash your hair. You'll be surprised at how smooth your scalp is, right? It's really going to help you clean every strand of hair. Okay, now if you have a blemish on your face, another thing you can do is just put 1 to 2 drops on a cotton ball and dab directly on the spot that you're having an issue with, right? So we're talking tea tree oil, 1 to 2 drops on your cotton ball, and just dab whatever spot it is directly on your face, and you should start seeing that thing go away. Another chemical-free way to take care of our skin, right? We can diffuse tea tree oil for about 30 minutes and get rid of any stale stink that's in the air. Again, if you get bored of the oils you have been using in your diffuser and you want to try something different that also is effective on getting rid of stink, then put some tea tree oil in there. Yeah, just 4 to 5 drops in your diffuser and you will be a happy person. Okay, so another thing we can do is add 3 to 5 drops to our laundry detergent. I use, of course, Thieves laundry detergent, and if I really want to give it a good kick, I will put 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil in my laundry with my laundry detergent, and then you're going to get nice, fresh, clean laundry. All right, it just adds a little bit of an extra kick, and it smells great. Another thing you can do with tea tree oil is get rid of stinky shoes. I know I've talked about purification for this matter. You can also use tea tree oil. 1 drop in each shoe will work, and if you're worried about the inside of your shoe, because it depends on what kind of shoe you have, put a drop on a cotton ball and shove it in your shoe, right? That way you're not putting the oil directly on the sole of your shoe if you feel uncomfortable doing that. 1 in each shoe, and you will no longer have a stink in your shoes. Pretty cool, huh? And of course, you can put it in your bath. It's always nice to soak in. Tea tree oil is just fantastic. We're going to use it for blemishes. We can use it in face creams. You can add it to your moisturizer if you want. You're having like an issue with some blemishes, you can do that. There's all kinds of uses for tea tree oil, and I look forward to hearing what your DIY hacks are. Okay, now remember, if you need some, talk to the person who sent you here. If not, you don't have a person, I can definitely be your oil lady, and I love to hear from you. If you have any tips and tricks, please put them in the comments and get a hold of me if you have any questions, right? My information will be in the comments below, and of course, if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss another video. And if you're feeling up to it, smash that bell. All that smashing the bell does is notify you when I drop another video. And I tend to put them on Wednesdays, Wellness Wednesdays. Yeah, that's me. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you. Let's share our knowledge and let's make our tribe strong and get the word out to everyone that it is easy and it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg to ditch and switch and go chemical free. All right, until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.